All right, what do we got? We got three 32-inch quad HD monitors. Got these delivered from Costco. I'm going to be replacing my older three 32-inch monitors. These are full HD, so got them mounted up here on this triple mount, my autonomous desk. I'm going to replace these and put these back in the boxes, probably take them home and sell them. But I just wanted to step up in the quality, go with these little bit higher resolution monitors and swap these out. So let's see how long this takes us. So hopefully this adapter is the exact same as the rest. So let's look at the output on this. 19 volt, 2.53 amp. Yeah, this is 1.7 amp. So we're probably going to have to switch everything around, which is not what I wanted to do, but you know, probably should just keep everything together. Okay, so we got the second one. So this monitor is a 100 by 200, so I have this adapter. I need to switch it to the other one. So this will not be a super fast process. Okay. All right, so this one's off. All right, so this goes with the old one. And right there. Now let's get the new one. We've got a power strip with the new ones. So one, put that one there, and then we'll fish this cable up. Okay, there's one. Okay, and what's going on here? All right, so this is the drop down. All right. And the new one is significantly heavier, right? All right, we got a picture. Okay, how do I adjust the tension? So I just need to turn this guy. All right, so one up, little progress, got two down. Tighten the tension. I'm just tightening this here, that way when I raise it, it stays. So if it's too heavy, the monitor's a little heavier. So I'm just tightening the tension. Just a tiny bit on this arm. Swap the power supply, tighten the tension, and I guess I don't need this VGA anymore because this guy has no VGA. So we don't need it. It's got dual. All right, now let me put this one monitor away just so I can not step on it and break it. And then lay this guy down. All right, there's one. Display port to HDMI right here. So I think this might work as well. display port to HDMI, and this HDMI is from the monitor. Okay, so we're going to use this one. We're going to go from the dock to here. Now let's see. How do we want to do this? I think we just want to do this. And then keep this run as short as possible. Now while I'm doing this, I should also be doing the power supply. I mean the docking station and the desktop computer. Alright, so next up, same deal. I got to take these off and unbox a second one, which I have not done yet. So, we do that real quick. But I got the other mounting plate, so I'm going to attach this to the second monitor, and then I'm going to take them. So I'll unbox the second monitor, and then I'll take the middle one off and put the new middle one on, and then that one on. So I think that's the best way to do it. But also got to run the power cord. So let's do one thing at a time. Put this box away. And then up here, 1, 2, 3. Pull out some slack. All right, so next up, let's plug this one up in. And then I'll just tuck that slack up. This is the 5 light. All right, so this one's a little different. It looks like it has to come off this whole post mount. I gotta lift up and off. So let's lower the desk. Get all these wires out of here. Tuck them off to the side. Power cord. And then we will get this guy off here. So this just lifts off, I think, I hope. Heck yeah. All right. This monitor is a little different. It's actually closer. It's 2 HDMI only, and then just this center post mount. All right. All right, same deal. Just got to tighten it up a little bit. Couple turns. And then let's see how that raise it up. It stays, so we'll just do another quarter, half turn. There we go. It. Okay, had to do some fine tuning for the monitors, but let's see. You get this webcam, so now it spans the mouse. All right, yeah, it just had to like raise up the base or raise up the main whole mount on this pole about 4 inches to have it properly match, so they could all sit next to each other. So seems like good height there. Just a little bit of adjustments, but you know, for the most part, just a little bit of fine tuning needed left, and then we're done. The only thing I haven't done is now set up the other laptop, so just make sure that that works. should be good. Yeah. Might have to lower this a little bit, but I'm happy with the displays. So now I got these 3 up, and I'll sell those 3, and successful monitor swap.